So what is up people, welcome to my channel Dr. Gray Science. So today in this video I'll be teaching you some WhatsApp secret tricks that you may have not heard. So let's jump right into the video. So the first one is going to be audio listen. So when you want to send a voice record to a person, so when you record the voice you cannot hear what you recorded. So for that all you have to do is go record your voice first. And then once you're done recording, just don't cancel anything, just click the back button on your phone and then again go to the chat, and you can see there'll be an option to listen your recording. So just click the play button and you can listen to your recording. So if you don't like it you can delete it, and let's try it again. And then once again go back and go to the chat, and you have the pre-recording, like you can hear it, you can hear what you recorded. So if you're satisfied with this, you can send it. So this is one of the best trick which I like in this entire video. So let's hop into the next one. So this is gonna be all about the read receipts. So when you send a message to someone and you want to see whether they have read it, so all you have to do is go see the blue tick, right? And when they send it, when they send the message to you, and if they want to know that whether you saw it, even they have to see the blue tick. So I'm going to show you how to turn off the blue tick. So even though you saw the message, it will be shown as for them that you didn't see. So for this, go to your settings, then go to the account option, then go to a section called privacy, then down there will be an option called read receipts. So make sure you turn it off. And then go and let's try sending the message again. And now when I send the message in my second phone, there won't be any blue tick shown. So I'll just show you that in a minute. So you can see the double tick has been shown, that means the message has been received successfully. And in this, so even though they have read the message in the second phone, so in the first phone it doesn't show. So let me try in this also. So yeah, the blue tick doesn't show, only the double tick shows that it has been sent successfully. And so this is the second trick. So this is gonna be all about the fingerprint unlock. So you can actually lock your WhatsApp using your fingerprint. So this only works if your phone has in-display fingerprint or any other fingerprint sensors. So all you have to do is go to your WhatsApp, click the three dots and go to settings, then go to the option called account, then go to privacy and scroll down till you find something called fingerprint lock. Click on it and make sure you enable it. So each time you lock or off the app, it will be asking the fingerprint. So make sure you set it to immediately, and I'll just off the app and just lock the screen also. And you can see when I open the WhatsApp app, so it's gonna ask for the fingerprint. So let me try it once again by locking the phone, and it asks the fingerprint. And now let's try by turning off the app, and I'll just on it and it asks. So I have set it to lock it immediately. You can set the time to 1 minute or 30 minutes. It depends up to you, and let's go to the final one. So this is gonna be the conversation tones. So when you're in a chat with your friend or someone, and when they send any messages, you will be hearing a sound which is so annoying. So I'm going to teach you in this trick how to off that sound. So all you have to do is go to your WhatsApp menu and then click on the three dots on the top right corner, and then go to settings, and then there you'll find an option called notifications. Click on it, and on the first section even you'll find something called conversation tones. Make sure you disable it, and then now you won't be getting those annoying sounds. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it with your friends. And as always, see you guys the next one.